Okay, so we have to find roots using Muller method. This is our function given to us, 1 divided by x minus 1, and these are our 3 initial guesses. We have our tolerance and then also maximum iterations allowed. We basically write Muller and then our function name and then sequentially write all of the guesses, our tolerance, iterations, and then it will give you all of the values as they change through all of the iterations, and it would also give you total number of iterations it took to converge values and the approximate root value as well. Now, this is not a built-in function into the calculator, so you have to add it or you have to install it in your calculators, and I will show you how to do that. Okay, so to install this program onto your calculator, first thing that you have to do is go to this GitHub link. The link is in the description. You go to this link and click download raw file. This is the method file basically, which actually does all the calculation for the Muller method. You click on this and it will download into your download folder. And then also you will have to download the student software for TI Nspire. If you have a Mac, you click on the first link over here, and if you have a Windows, you click on the third link. And after you have done the installation, and it's free for like 30 days, so you can use that. Right? You just have to install it like once on your calculator, and that's it, right? And after installing it, this is like how it looks like. And in this, what you have to do is go look for Documents toolbox, click on Content Explorer, and then this is your handheld device. Open this and then look for mylib, right? Open this also, and then basically you have to drag the Muller, the wherever you have downloaded from your computer, to this mylib folder, and then it will ask you if it's like already present. In my case it was, so just say yes, and that's it. That's like how it is installed on your calculator, and that's it. Yeah. Okay, so now if you have to use it, how do you use it? First is a very simple method. You basically have to go to the browse where you have installed it on your calculator, go in my library, and then open the Muller file, press on the menu, and then look for check syntax and store, and then click run, just like that, and then you can just type it out loud and press enter, and it will give you the answer. So this is like the easy method, but there's another method which is more recommended. So for that, what you have to do is you have to make a new document, calculator, and then you have to refresh your libraries. And then also create a shortcut for a library function. So what we have created in the mylib, and you just have to spell out the name of the file, Muller, and then the variable that you will use to access it. Let's say m, and just like that, you just have to press m and then dot, and as soon as you press dot, all the functions in that Muller file will show up. So you have to press Muller, and then it will do the same over here, right? And then it gives you the value. So this is a much better version because you can add multiple methods to this doc file, and you can just like save it into. Okay, so we can just like save it into let's say a numerical method, right? And then you can add multiple numerical methods into this, like Romberg's bisection, Simpson, secant formula, secant method, or Romberg algorithms. All of it can be in like one document, so it's like very easy to handle and much better way of working. And that's it. That's how you can use advanced numerical methods like Muller method on your TI Nspire, even though they are not a built-in function. And you can also check out this GitHub repository. It has all the other functions which is like usually needed in the computer science and computation method classes, which you can use for understanding these kind of methods even more. And let me know if you need anything else in the comments or some other way. Thank you.